This isn't your old or what people imagine as a manufactured home, right? From the 70s and 80s. It's got the sheetrock walls and, the ceramic sinks. I mean, it's not your manufactured home of yesterday, right? The first thing people say when they open the door to come in the house is like, wow, this looks so big. We were trying to move back from West Texas, and Peter knew that we rode motorcycles and the hill country would be a good fit for us. And then I finally came out and just fell in love. I would recommend Peter or anyone in that office. They are professional, helpful, warm when you walk in there. It's like you're walking into a friend's house, It's really a nice experience. I have recommended people to Peter, and I would definitely continue to do so.